you say thank you to Emily and Jessica for the trampoline?
Thank you, Jessica.
And thank you, Emily.
Thank you, Jessica and Emily.
Yeah.
Thank you, Emily.
Do you guys like a trampoline?
Please.
Do you guys like the trampoline?
Yeah. Watch me jump over first.
Was that scary? Does that hurt your mouth?
No.
Are you going to be okay?
Wait.
Whee!
Thank you.
Thank you for the trampoline.
Thank you. Trampoline.
Big jump.
I can see my floor wheel from down there.
I can't. There it is.
I can now down here.
All right, say bye to the camera.
Bye to the camera. Hi, Grandma.
My grandma camera.
Camera.
Can you blow us a kiss? Lily, can you blow us a kiss? Thank you, Preston.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.